In front of me is REALME 11 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access Notifications and Status Bar. Following that, click on Recent next to App Notifications and tap on the best option for you. I will go with Frequency. Now you need to tap on the blue sweater next to one of your apps from which you want to block notifications. You can switch them back on by choosing the same, now gray sweater. If you want to, you can also just tap on one of your apps available on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!